So we say, tell your MPs because they are elected to talk to ours.
Elsewhere, Taita Taveta elected women have emphasized they are determined to fight for more space in the next general election. Taita Taveta woman representative Lydia Haika declared her interest in the governor's seat in the next elections. Hezron Kimari with details.
It's my second and last time in this seat of women. I am going to give an opportunity for another woman.
Amen.
To be a woman rep. I am ready to battle out there with men. Sawa sawa.
Kabisa.
So hao wanaume waambie mama Haika anakujia hizo viti wanaita zao.
Women leaders of Taita Taveta County have emphasized on the need for more women to be elected and not nominated in the coming 2027 elections.
Tunataka kuona wanawake wengi tu. Ndugu zetu wanaona ni kama kwamba tunawatoa nyama kwa mdomo. Lakini tunawaambia tu jinsi tunavyoendesha miji yetu. Waacha hata serikali tuiendeshe hivyo hivyo. Tugawane majukumu ndani ya serikali. Kina mama wachangie na kina baba wachangie. Kila mmoja ako na contribution yake.
Lakini tukiangalia katika nafasi zingine, katika nafasi za MCA, can't we call ourselves to a meeting and say we are sending you Haika to go for governor, we are sending you Majala to go for this, we are sending you Joyce to go for this, we are sending you Shuve to go for this, we are sending you Patricia to go for this. Can't we do that?
The women leaders shared some of the project proposals they will be working on during their period in leadership towards empowering women and girls of this county.
I'd like to start a teenage pregnancy prevention program, which will also include a support program for those who are already mothers or are already pregnant. Why do I say this? This is because when a girl gets pregnant, their outcomes in terms of education, in terms of economic, in terms of social status are changed for life.
Yeah, true.
And when a girl gets pregnant, the chances of them falling pregnant again.
This time I want to tackle climate change in Taita Taveta. I have a program that I'm going to roll out for women. I think by the end of that program, wamama wataniita wamatangi. Because I want to roll out a water program, water harvesting program. I have a program that I'm going to be issuing water tanks to women.
My plan for the women is that I am going to be a very good representative at the decision-making table. And we may not realize, but just as we said there aren't adequate women at those tables for decision-making, it is the same even at the county department. They are not adequate.
Women, let me tell you, this world is not easy for us. Nobody will give you something on a silver plate. You have to fight. So don't give up. And one thing I will assure you, I will represent you well at the assembly.
This was said during the awarding ceremony for the successful women in this county, including Honorable Lydia Haika, Women Rep, Honorable Christine Kilalo, the Deputy Governor, Honorable Dorcas Mlugu, MCA Ronge, and Honorable Milka Riga, the 2022 Miss President, Taita Taveta County. Hezron Kimari, KTN News, Taita Taveta.
All right, and that report by Hezron takes us to our first commercial break right here at News Desk.